let's start first with downloading this Cisco packet tracer. So first open the link in the description and select the appropriate version and OS system. For me it's Windows 64 bits, so I'm downloading that one. So now you can then click yes on the pop-up. So the setup would pop-up would be coming up, so you have to accept the agreement if you want to continue. Then select the path where you want to save it. Then you can select if you want these. I would be selecting both as it's good for me. So this might take a bit. So click on the finish and the Cisco packet tracer will be launching. So we can run as multi-user when the application starts, so it's no problem for me, so I would be going with the yes. Now you have to give click on allow to give the access to network. You can turn this on so you don't have to log in every single time you want to use this, and then click on login and the browser will be opening up. So after logging in, this tab would be showing like this, and you can just close this, and in general you can just close the browser, and now the Cisco packet tracer is ready for use.